Enjoying the show? You can help others find it and enjoy it too by giving us a 5-star rating or review. If you feel like reaching out to us with a question or comment, you can send us an email at mywifetherd@gmail.com. And don't forget to visit our website at mywifethedietitian.com, as well as our social media pages. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Enjoy the show. It's Rob and Sandra from My Wife the Dietitian, and this is Nutrition Nuggets.
And let's walk and roll.
Walk and roll?
Let's talk about stir fries.
Oh, the stir fry. I like stir fries.
Yeah, they're good, eh?
I mean, stir fry is more of a concept in my mind. It just means a bunch of stuff in a pan. I don't know what the actual, true definition is. We should probably discuss that because we say stir fry a lot, and we might not be covering what the real definition is.
Well, let's do an old school book definition.
Oh, a book definition. Okay.
Food Lover's Companion Book by Sharon and Ron Herbst. I love that their last name is like Herbst, like Herbst.
You reference that book a lot.
I love it.
Yeah, it's fun.
Stir fry. Noun, any dish of food that has been prepared by the stir fry method.
Oh, I love those kind of definitions, right?
Okay, stir fry verb, to quickly fry small pieces of food in a large pan over very high heat while constantly and briskly stirring the food. This cooking technique, which is associated with Asian cooking and the wok, requires a minimum amount of fat and results in food that is crisply tender.
Yeah, because when you go to a Chinese restaurant, the veggies are crisp and tender and bright. You know, it's like it's the cooking method that made them like that.
Yeah, and it's a healthy way to cook because you retain a lot of the nutrients in the vegetables because you're not boiling them.
Yeah.
I mean, don't get me wrong. Any way to get more vegetables in to your meals is great. So if you like boiling your vegetables, it's okay. You're still getting the fiber. You're still getting some of the nutrition. But stir fry is a really great way to retain the nutrients in the vegetables. And yeah, it's a tasty, convenient, quick method of cooking.
Yeah. And I think that the longer you leave them in the pan, the more soggy they get. They lose their crispness. They lose their nutrients, I guess, like you're saying. They get soggy and watery and lose a lot of the goodness.
Yeah. And I mean, variety is the spice of life. I've said this a million times, I think. Mm-hmm. So, it's okay to have maybe some vegetables that are more overcooked than others. It's not the end of the world. It's fine. But with the stir fry, let's think of the components in the stir fry.
So you've got obviously veggies, lots of veggies, and some sort of protein often, but not, I mean, it's not a requirement. I wouldn't think. I mean, I think the veggies are the big part. And if you're vegetarian, you're going to have a different kind of protein. So maybe more of a tofu or, but yeah, you could do, chicken, pork, beef, shrimp, fish, I guess, if there's chunks of fish. I think the trick with the protein and with stir frying in general, you want to cut things small so that they can cook quickly. You don't want big hunks of stuff.
A hunk of chicken.
Whether it's
a hunk of beef.
No,
a hunk of my burning love.
I'll have a hunk of your burning love.
Sorry. You can take that.
No, I'm leaving that in, honey. That's staying right where it is.
Here's a recipe in not the Looney Tunes. What's it called? The Looney Spoons.
The Looney Spoons.
The way we stir. This beef stir fry becomes a cherished memory pretty quickly. From wok to plate, and poof, it's gone in an instant.
Yeah, that's what'll happen.
So good. So good. And you could also put nuts in there. So cashew and chicken. You've often had that combination.
That's the name of it, cashew chicken, isn't it?
Yeah. Or chicken cashew. I don't know.
Something like that, yeah.
Sounds like a sneeze.
I like to add nuts to a lot of the things I make just because I like that crunch. I've said that before. I like different textures in my food and peanuts, cashews, almonds, whatever's kind of available in our cupboard.
And you can sprinkle sesame seeds.
Yeah.
Roasted sesame seeds or toasted or even poppy seeds.
Yep. And you need a good sauce.
Yes.
That's pretty key.
The sauce is key. But you got to watch the sodium and the sugars.
Especially in the store-bought sauces.
The soy sauce, teriyaki.
Yeah.
Fish sauce.
Now that, we don't have soy sauce. We have the, what's it called?
Tamari.
Tamari. Is it less sodium?
See it tamari.
I'll see it tamari. You're full of beans tonight.
Beans. Can you use beans?
Why not?
I guess you could put edamame.
I don't think there's rules per se that you have to follow.
Well, I'm thinking like with the vegetables, the bell peppers are good. The little corn, the broccoli, onions,
Carrots.
Yes,
Yeah.
mushrooms, bean sprouts.
Bean sprouts, yeah, you could do that.
Yeah.
Or the snap peas. You see
Celery.
those in stir fries a lot.
And snow peas or snap peas, yep.
Or snow peas, is that what they're called? The flat ones? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You can buy those mixes too, hey? I wonder how that would be if it was like a frozen, like a bag. You know what I mean? The little stir fry veggies you buy in the frozen food section. I don't know how they'd stir fry from frozen.
That's why they're there.
I'm sure they'd be
That's
fine.
what
Yeah.
they're supposed to be used for.
I guess, I'm sure.
Maybe we should, tomorrow night.
Oh, yeah. Tomorrow night, we'll get the wok out, dust it off.
You'll get the
I'll
wok.
get the wok out,
Thank you.
dust it off, and we'll figure it out. We'll try that frozen in. Because
I
often
think we'll
when
have to buy a wok. I don't know if we have one.
Yeah, we used to. I think it got nasty.
Yeah.
Too many stir fries.
We used it for camping.
Probably. Yeah. Trying to be those people camping. What? They're firing up a stir fry over there? Look, they got their wok going. The Coleman stove's on like full blast and
Well, that's the thing with stir frying. It has to be like high heat.
super high heat. So
Yes.
things cook quickly, right?
That's right.
Because it's high enough that your whole pan is hot. I think that's the trick, right?
Right. And then you got to use an oil that has a high smoke point.
That's very important. Yeah.
Like avocado or peanut or grapeseed or canola. And because you don't want it to start smoking.
Yeah, you don't want to burn your
Smoking's
oil.
bad for you. I think kids know that by now.
Exactly. It's bad for your oil too.
True. Yes. And then the aromatics, like the garlic and ginger, depending on the recipe.
You know what else is like the secret sauce that we use?
What?
Peanut butter.
Oh, yeah.
That's like a little trick. If you don't have anything great for your sauce, peanut butter and a little bit of soy sauce or tamari.
I think a really seasoned chef would scoff at that.
Oh, absolutely. But I don't care.
Okay.
We're not here to appeal to those people. To appeal? No, to appease those people.
Peas.
We're here to share our tricks and our secrets and our hacks for like quick dinner in the kitchen with what you've got at hand.
And to get more veggies in. Yeah. So that's a good way to do it.
Exactly.
So there's like the different pillars of taste, the salty, the sweet, the sour, and the spicy.
Spicy, yeah. I was going to say, you got to add some heat in there too.
Yeah, like dried chilies or fresh.
Sriracha, that's a good one.
Ooh, yeah.
A little squirt of that.
A squirt of lime would be for sour.
Right, yeah. Well, it always adds, it brings out the flavor of stuff. You don't necessarily taste the lime, but it seems to activate the flavors more in the foods that are in there.
The Hello Fresh was like every dish had lime or lemon because it was fresh, right?
Exactly. I find that with balsamic vinegar too. I've been cooking vegetables a lot in balsamic vinegar, and it really adds a lot of flavor to the veggies, like their own flavor. Yeah, it's
So
interesting.
good. Yes. And sesame oil is good as a finishing oil, especially Asian flared meals.
Yeah, and you can get a spicy version of it too, right?
Oh, yeah, we do. We have
we've got
that.
that.
It's
It's
almost
good.
too spicy for me.
I know it is. I like it a lot. It
Yeah.
is very spicy though.
Yeah.
But you just sort of pour that on at the end and it's kind of all you need. And then you can add rice. I mean, you can add your stir fry to rice, but you don't need to. I mean, it's optional.
Oh, absolutely.
But,
or noodles.
Yeah, noodles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a great idea. And you know that for stir fry, butter usually burns pretty quickly. So that wouldn't be great.
Mm-hmm.
And extra virgin olive oil also could burn, just so you know, because we've talked about different oils in the past, but I don't know if we've talked about stir fry in particular.
Yeah, we've discussed high heat and so yeah, with stir fry, that is a high heat cooking method. So you want to make sure that you're using the right oil.
Yeah.
That can withstand that heat.
What about flaxseed oil?
I would say no.
Absolutely
not.
not.
Yeah, no, those ones are really sensitive.
Rancid immediately.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
those are for like salad dressing, something you're not cooking.
Yeah, yeah. Anything where you're keeping it in a dark, cool place. Yeah, you don't want to throw that on anything hot.
Well, a lot of your oils actually should be kept in a dark, cool place because oil can break down.
Okay, well, just disregard what I just said. We'll take that. Erase that.
You won't take that out, though.
No, I won't. But
no.
So the other thing I learned about stir fries is you sort of start with your protein. Start with the things that take longer to cook.
Mm-hmm.
So your protein, you don't want to cook your protein and your veggies at the same time. So you cook your protein, put it aside, and then you cook your hard vegetables. So your broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, that sort of thing, because they take a bit longer to sort of soften a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And then you add your softer vegetables.
Red pepper, snow peas, green onions.
Mushrooms,
yes.
zucchini, that sort of thing. And then you throw everything in together at the end, put on your finishing sauce or your finishing oil, add your extra little flavors, your garlic and all that.
Your love, add your love.
Add a sprinkle of love or two.
You know, did you remember that little zucchini, the one that we grew?
The little tiny zucchini, yes.
The only thing we grew in our veggie garden. Well, sorry, we didn't even have a veggie garden this year.
The only thing that grew in the backyard.
Yeah, it was like in a pot. And anyways, it was like a volunteer plant that we put in a pot. And then in October, late October, there was a little,
It was like the size of my finger.
Right.
Yeah, my baby finger.
So I cut that up and we put it in the soup yesterday. It's so good.
Oh, it was in the soup. I didn't see it.
No, it's so small. You wouldn't have seen it.
Tiny.
Yes. Anyways, sorry, I had to mention that because that was a interesting little zucchini plant we had. The opposite of those like award-winning big zucchinis that people grow.
Size of your thigh. Usually they're mass. Sanders like, hey, we grew a zucchini, and I was expecting her to come in with like both arms holding this thing, and it barely fit in her hand. It was so small. It was tiny, but delicious.
Yes.
Yes. Well, there you go. Yeah, we're gonna have a stir fry tomorrow night, and maybe you guys will be inspired to go out and try a stir fry as well, because it sounds like a fun. It's fun to watch those guys in those restaurants, like just giving her on the high heat. They got stuff and they're flipping it around in a pan.
It's like a workout.
I've always it's kind of how a lot of people picture like chefs and cooking, and
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, we'll try that out. Let you know how it goes.
Sounds like a plan. Let's walk and roll.
Let's walk and roll. So there you go. More great tips from my wife, the dietitian. If you're looking for even more, check out our website. We've got articles, we've got blogs, we have newspaper clippings even from Sandra's stuff that she's written in the paper, and there's all sorts of great things on the website. It's mywifethedietitian.com. If you have questions for us, feel free to email us at mywifetherd@gmail.com and join our newsletter. It's free. So why wouldn't you? It's great tips there, recipes, all sorts of great things. You can find a link for that on the website as well. You can also find us online at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Feel free to reach out to us there as well. And if you like the show, let us know. I love hearing your feedback. It's super helpful. So you can comment, you can rate and review, you can email us, like I said, any way to let us know how you're enjoying it, and if there's things you'd like us to try, different ideas you'd want us to discuss, let us know. And if you like it, I bet your friends would too. So be sure to share. So that is it for today. We will be back next week with a full episode. So until then, have a fantastic week. And don't forget to fire up that walk. Get it going. Thanks for joining us today on My Wife the Dietitian. If you like what you heard, don't be shy. Leave us a comment or review, and be sure to share our podcast with your friends. If you'd like to hear more, hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on our social media pages for updates, episode trailers, and other odds and ends. For more info and links on what we discussed on today's episode, check the show notes. We'll be back next week with another informative and fun-filled episode.